Impoverished psychological public health affects part of all employees, onto a examination of 44,000 human beings transferred out by the Psychological Public Health Mercy Reason. Just part of such who had skilled problems in distress, concern, or low sentiment had talked to their tenant on it. How's thing how must changing, says Reason. Terror, embarrassment, and job dangerous situation are several of the reasons human beings may select to conceal their trouble. Natalie Search, 34, of Salford, got her at first job at 18. How part was work in a division keep, serving customers, but she found it very tense. It was behavior in complaints and help human beings in queries. I'd had concern and depressive as a adolescent, and the complete time job done me very concerned. I began to get shy and closed, departure more than in myself, and I was concerned on possessing a scare assault at job. Associate begun to note, and ultimately my lug requested a speech. Natalie says how at the period, her tenant didn't very know or aware which to do. Down there was no supporting. She later leftward the job generally and took up an art year at school. She now teaches art classes to human beings in psychological public health problems, and at a homelessness orphanage. She as well plant portion time in an office space, although occasionally she can go via stages of impoverished psychological public health. Natalie says it makes an enormous distinction while the job is supporting, they include versatile several hours and routine capture UPS. I at first begun behind in the job in a bit of volunteer job in a Mercy store, that was large. Since it was volunteer and portion time, I didn't sense pressured and it helping me restore several trust. How was while I was 20. Currently I run my own art classes for human beings in psychological public health facility. He's beautiful to be manufacturing a distinction. Reason says about 300,000 human beings miss their job every year due to a psychological public health issue. Impoverished relationships in link on in workload, include the largest adverse effect on employees' psychological public health, the examination found, accompanied by impoverished relationships in associate.